What if everything you learned about money was wrong? In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki reveals why the rich keep getting richer and how you can break free from the cycle of financial struggle. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Mysterious Untold Books. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful personal finance books ever written, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, or someone trying to build financial freedom, this summary will give you the life-changing lessons you need to start thinking like the rich. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share the money rules from the book that can completely change your financial mindset. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a 1997 book written by Robert Kiyosaki and Sharon Lechter. It advocates the importance of financial literacy, financial education, financial independence, and building wealth through investing in assets, real estate investing, starting and owning businesses, as well as increasing one's financial intelligence. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is written in the style of a set of parables presented as autobiographical. 1. The titular, Rich Dad, is his best friend's father who accumulated wealth due to entrepreneurship and savvy investing, while the Poor Dad is claimed to be Kiyosaki's own father who he says worked hard all his life but never obtained financial security. Kiyosaki's prior business ventures had been modest, but he promoted Rich Dad, Poor Dad from self-publication to bestseller status and made it the cornerstone of a media and educational franchise. 2. For many years he avoided questions about the identity of the Rich Dad, raising suspicions that no such person had existed. 3. Following the death of high-end hotel developer Richard Kimi, he was identified as Kiyosaki's mentor. The story begins with the author as a young boy, observing the contrasting financial mindsets and behaviors of his own father, the Poor Dad, and a friend's father, the Rich Dad. The Poor Dad held a high position in education and emphasized the importance of academic success, job security, and living within one's means. The Rich Dad, a successful entrepreneur, believed in building assets, investing wisely, and acquiring financial knowledge. It describes how the Rich Dad teaches the author and his friend finance through practical lessons. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki shares anecdotes and conversations that he had with the Rich Dad, who guided him on various aspects of money, wealth creation, and financial independence. He learns valuable lessons about the difference between assets and liabilities, the power of financial education, and the importance of taking calculated risks. Kiyosaki emphasizes the significance of acquiring assets that generate income, such as real estate and businesses, as opposed to liabilities that drain money, such as excessive consumer debt and unnecessary expenses. He introduces concepts like the cash flow quadrant, which categorize individuals as employees, self-employed, business owners, or investors, highlighting advantages and disadvantages of each quadrant. The book also delves into the mindset and beliefs around money, discussing the importance of developing a positive relationship with wealth and overcoming limiting beliefs. Kiyosaki stresses the need for financial literacy and encourages readers to take control of their financial destinies by seeking out opportunities, learning from mistakes, and continuously educating themselves about money. Thanks for watching. I hope this summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad helped you understand how the rich think differently about money and how you can start applying these principles in your own life. If you found value in this video, make sure to thumbs up sign like the video, speech balloon comment your favorite lesson from the book, bell subscribe for more book summaries and self-growth content, and share this with someone who needs a financial mindset shift.